Hi, I'm Devin, your friendly neighborhood shower door expert, and in this video we're going to do a deep dive on the different types of sliding shower doors we offer. Sliding shower doors can be a great option for spaces where a swing door would conflict with other bathroom fixtures like a toilet or vanity. They're also the most popular type of unit for tubs, but all the models we'll go over are available for alcove shower layouts, i.e. wall-to-wall stall openings, corner shower layouts, and bathtubs. In recent years, barn door style sliding doors have eclipsed traditional bypass sliding doors in popularity. Let's take a look at the different types of each of these style doors that we offer at Shower Door Experts. Cambridge units are our most popular double sliding barn door option. They have the modern exposed roller look that remains very popular with the designers. The hardware is manufactured by C.R. Lawrence, based in California, and the glass is ordered custom fit to your space. Standard hardware finishes are polished stainless, brushed stainless, and matte black. There are also two premium upgrade finishes, the brushed bronze and the satin brass. Serenity units are a fantastic single sliding barn door option. Depending on your opening width and layout, you may not need a double sliding system, and Serenities will save you money versus the Cambridge units. The hardware is manufactured by C.R. Lawrence as well, and the glass is ordered custom fit to your space. Standard hardware finishes are chrome, brushed nickel, and matte black. Brushed bronze is also available as a premium upgrade finish. Going back to double sliding barn door options, the Phantom series by 310 Tempering out of Louisville, Kentucky is one of the most distinctive products on the market. These units have all glass headers for customers looking for literally as little metal as possible. Phantoms are the most expensive double sliding barn door systems we offer, but they look absolutely incredible installed. Standard hardware finishes are chrome, brushed nickel, matte black, and oil rub bronze. Finally, we have semi-frameless traditional bypasses, which are what most people think of when they think about sliding shower doors. That's because these have been around since the mid-1960s. They're oldies but goodies in terms of reliability and affordability. We source our traditional bypasses from 310 Tempering also. Like other sliding units, these use heavy 3/8 glass. They just have bulkier metal profiles, including the header, the wall jams, and a drip rail at the base. But don't worry, the bottom track or drip rail system has been upgraded to a smooth lip for easier cleaning. Standard hardware finishes are chrome, brushed nickel, matte black, and your oil rub bronze. For further questions about sliding shower door options, you can give us a call or email us at info@showerdoorexperts.com.